It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's episode, I'm sharing one of my best. Like, I've been sharing my secrets, more of my secrets of how I grew my hair and how I grew my hair back and everything. I'm sharing it more. So this is one of my secret ingredients, or let me say fruit, to grow your hair long and thick. And please kindly watch this video to the end. I'm going to share all the processes on how to make garden egg spray for your hair, and I'm also going to share the nutrients on how the nutrients inside this garden egg. So if this is your first time of tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. So we all know, if you've not seen garden egg before, well, I don't know what to say. So this is how garden egg looks like. It is a fruit. You can eat it like this. Actually, most people in the part of the world I am, they eat it as a fruit. They just eat it, and some people use it as like egg sauce or something. Now, do you know one funny thing is that I don't eat this. I don't like the taste actually. If you are like that, please drop in the comment section. I don't like the taste, but guess what? I use it solely for my hair, and it has a lot of nutrients. It has a lot of benefits in it, which I'm going to share in this video. Now, the first step is to wash and also to slice into pieces. You wash it so well, because the body actually absorbs a lot of dirt. Wash it with your hands and all. Now, this is actually has moisture in it. It will help you. It helps to draw moisture to your hair, and also it has vitamin C. Vitamin C is actually very, very good for your hair and for your body. Now, the vitamin C, if you have ever been to the hospital and they tell you that, okay, you are low in iron, they will give you an iron drug, iron supplement, and also give you vitamin C. Now, that vitamin C actually, it helps to absorb iron more into your body system. Now, this garden egg is actually very, very rich in iron. Vitamin C. So when you take in vitamin C, when you take in that vitamin C, helps to draw more iron to your body, to your hair, either by eating any food rich in iron. That is one thing I love about it. And also, it moisturizes your hair. It gives you healthy scalp, like healthy scalp. That is one thing. If your scalp is not healthy, my dear, your hair will not be healthy. So it has a lot of nutrients that help to protect your scalp from dandruff, from itchiness, from any scalp ailment that you ever have. Do you get the logic? So the thing, what did I do? I cut it into slice. I cooked it for like 15 minutes. Then I transferred it into a bowl, as we are saying like this. And also, I was trying to match it with my turning stick, just to match it. It's actually soft, so it's actually very, very easy to do. Do you get the logic? Just match it a bit, and you can even blend. Don't stress yourself. And also, just after matching it for a while, just soak it. Just leave it and let it soak for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, so that you can get all the nutrients. Of course, you've boiled it, so the water will have absorbed the nutrients from the garden egg, but you just need to just do some little extra thing. So that's just it. So after that, after leaving it for 1 hour, the next thing is to sieve. I use a wig cap. If you don't have a wig cap, I don't know why I yawn a lot when I make voiceover. If you don't have a wig cap, you can just use your scarf or your clothes and just sieve it. Yes, it has seed inside, so just be careful and all. And make sure it cools down before you what's it called? Before you actually like squeeze the stuff. Sure, you understand the logic. Actually, if you leave it for 1 hour, Otima, what's it called? Otima, it will have cooled down. Do you get the logic? So squeeze and also transfer into your spraying bottle. So that is just it. So please and please, this is actually a very very good and what's it called, air spray for your hair. You can use it every day, you can use it every 2 days, you can use it every 3 days. Just the it depends on your ear type. Shey you guess ear type. Just like I have to explain your hair type, our hair type in another video. I can't explain in this video. Actually, if your hair holds more moisture, you know that you don't have to spray every day. But if you are if you are the type, if you are my type, like Nigeria, fussy hair, my dear, spray every day or every 2 days, if you get the logic. So that is just it. And please, after spraying your hair with any water-based ingredient or so, please, the next process is to actually seal the moisture in your hair with any oil of your choice. Yes, I have a lot of videos on that. Please and please kindly check out my videos on that. And also, before you use any day, please make sure you shake, like shake before you use, because the stuff will have settled to the bottom. Sure you get, shake before you use, and sealing the moisture with any oil of your choice. Thank you so much, and bye for now.